Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to Silent Night 5820XL Test 2. Let's go ahead and take a look at all of our devices we have installed. So first we'll go over and look at the pull stations, and you'll see they are both Notifier NVG12 series devices, if the camera will focus. There we go. And what you'll notice about them is that if you open the first one, you'll see this is a former LX unit. This came out of the same building as my voice panel, the elementary school where Kansas Fire Alarms got it from. That's where this pull station came from. It used to be addressable, now it's conventional. If I open this one, you'll see it's just a regular NVG12L. So yeah, there they are. They're both older variations, as you can see by these logos. There's no Honeywell anywhere on them. Something new I also did is I added these labels to boxes where the monitor modules are to indicate their address. As you can see, this is point 1, point 2. The detectors are points 3 and 4, and the modules are 5 and 6. So if we move right along up, you can see we have two wheel lock NS's. These are multi-candela variations, and they're also a little bit newer. You can see that both of them are on 15 candela, and they're both on code 3 and wheel lock sync, so they will be doing audible silence. First time in this series. If we move right over to the smoke detectors, you can see we have the two addressable ones like usual, and a system sensor 2WTRB conventional i3 smoke detector. So let's go ahead and start making some noise, shall we? And I think we'll start with the formerly addressable NVG12. You can see we've got them in audible silence, and they are in perfect sync. They actually sound really cool together, sounding together like that. I'm not quite sure why, they just sound really, really nice. So I'd say let's try one of these detectors real quick. I'd say let's try point 3 and see if we can get that one to go off today. Hopefully you saw that, but that should be enough. There we go. And last device today, we always gotta pull both pull stations. So here we go. Those strobes in sync do look very, very nice. Alright, so let's begin resetting these pull stations. They're both very easy to reset. In fact, they reset the exact same way. You just put your key in, you can open it and close it, and a common misconception that's been disproven many times, but I'll show it anyway. You actually don't have to flip this switch back up. In fact, if I close it, you'll see the switch goes up. See, that's activated. It goes back up on its own. Very simple. The key this takes is a notifier. Well, I can't really focus on it. Notifier 17021 key. The camera really wants to focus on the pull station. So yeah, there they are. That's reset. Nice and simple. Let's go ahead and take one more look at that audible silence. Oh, and one other thing, you'll see that label on there. I don't know if anyone is paying attention, but these two horn strobes used to be used on my home system. This one on the right actually used to be here in my room, in a slightly different location than where the True Alert is now, as in the one right over there. And another new thing, I got this exit sign here. It's a Lithonia Contractor Select. We'll go ahead and test the emergency light on it. And that also works. So, yeah, that's the system for today. So we'll go ahead and reset that. It'll take about a minute because that detector's got to reset. So that is the end of today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my links in my description. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.